Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report from Manuel, Illinois on the Galaxy 66 V3. Manuel got it ready to go, tuning alignment and the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. You got 3 bands of operation on this one, Manuel. E, D, and C. The standard 40, 40 below, and 40 above. You'll be in D mode. I'm going to show you what we got here. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug. There is 1 watt. Now that is plenty low enough to run any amplifier that would work with this radio. And there's your 10 watts if you're running barefoot. You can run it there if you want. And I'll show you average power swing. Hello audio. 24 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello audio. 50 watts PEP. Alright, Manuel, we appreciate the business and your patience. We're going to get this up to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.